Hey Superstars, this is your Executive Director, Beth Smith, coming at you with more systems. This one is on financials, but it's more focused on tax organization and how you can keep track of your documents. This is a document I put together this year. I pulled a lot of different stuff that I've seen and kind of tried to organize the best that I found. So it's still a work in progress and you're welcome to change it. The document is in the files. And this I keep with my tax documents every year. I fill it out. I put my name, address, my info, the year, my sponsor, my director. I still fill it out just like I am a normal consultant. Here's some information total from the line 7 of your 1099. These are items that you'll have to put in when you do your taxes. Cost of products used by you or your family, inventory, your costs, not retail. Here's some of your expenses, and I've done some different things this year, so I need to add to this for next year. But advertising, I just got some new pins in, so my husband said add that to your taxes. So make sure, you know, anything that you do or use for your business as far as advertising or any other business related expenses you add to this document if they're not already here. One thing I do a lot of is postage. And so I will show you a picture of where I keep my receipts. I'm doing something very different this year and I love it. It has worked so well for me and I don't have to stress at the end of the year. So I'll take a picture of my filing drawer where I keep my taxes. But any furniture you buy, office supplies for your office, copying and printing. I left some lines there because I'm doing some new consultant binders this year. And I'm also doing a training camp playbook, so I want to put those in there and put how much they cost me. I just haven't done that yet. Any assets that you purchased, repairs, retirement plans, supplies, travel, any of your travel that you go to workshops or leadership retreats, national conference, meals and entertainment, telephone, other expenses. You also using your home as a business expense. This is where the information you need there. And every year I stress out because okay, what information do I need? So that's why I put that information here so I didn't have to guess every year. And I can go back and look at the one I did last year and I'll know the purchase price of my home. The land value comes on a form from the assessor's office. Any cost of improvements to my home, I keep in the file drawer that I'm going to show you a picture of. Any painting of my business area, repairs, mortgage interest, which you do by square footage, and you figure that out. Also, the use of your car. And if you switch cars, you have to keep track of that information. So these are the items that I keep track of. And you might have different things and you can always add to this document or take away from whatever works for you. But this is an overall tax worksheet that I have put together that I feel covers all the areas of information that I need to use on my taxes. There is also a report that you can pull in your back office with, you know, your business supplies, your kit, and those kinds of things. So I attach that printout to this tax worksheet at the end of the year. So I hope that helps you as far as taxes. And like I said, I'll take a picture of my file drawer. I used to just throw all my receipts into a 31 bag and file them or sort them at the end of the year, but that was too stressful for me. So I just started making tabs as I saved receipts. And so it's almost June and I haven't had to add a new tab in a couple months. So I'm pretty sure my tabs are pretty much what I need for now. And that way, if I need something, I have a folder ready to start another folder if I create another expense. I do have one more sheet where I keep track of all my utilities and any expenses like trainings I do monthly and my websites that I use monthly to keep track of all my bills for the year. So I have that to print out at the end of the year also. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And this is more systems for you that I hope you can use, and I can't wait to share more with you. Thanks for investing in your business.